Hey Anna, this is Brandon with Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare your guys' website to some of your top competitors here and show you what they're doing to gain much more traffic and get revenue from people searching for your services on Google. So I'm just going to go over a few things that you guys can do to improve your website and your online presence. And these are things that you guys can take and run with. And if you need help with it, let me know. I'm more than happy to help or give any feedback that I have. I'm just trying to add value to some local small businesses here around town. And if this is something that you find valuable, I'd love to hear from you. So if you could get this into whoever would be the best person to view this, I would appreciate that and see if they find this valuable. So I'm just going to talk to you guys about three things real quick. Number one is content. Number two, backlinks, and number three, citations. So here's your website. It's pretty much acting like a digital business card. It looks good. I mean, it's simple, but it's not doing a lot to actually drive in traffic to you guys. Okay, and I'll tell you why. So if we look at, well, I'm not going to quite go there yet, but the first thing I want to talk about is content. So Google really cares about content. They have crawlers, is what they call them, crawling Google 24/7. And these are bots that are looking for very specific things. They're looking for at least 1,500 words on your homepage. So that's something that you would need to start with, is to just at least get 1,500 words on here. And then they're also searching for buyer intent keywords. So these are keywords that people are typing into Google when they're searching for your services. So it's very important that they are buyer intent keywords, not just any, keyword that it doesn't have buyer intent behind it. So let's look at your site. So here's some analytics behind your site. So you've got one keyword currently, and it's helping generate around 7 to 10 people per month to your website. So we can improve on the keywords in your website. We want to make sure that when people are typing in what they need online, that your website is getting tagged to that. And currently it's not. So let me show you what Ductworks is doing that's allowing them to be seen more often than you guys. So they've got 88 keywords, and that's helping them drive in at least 222 people per month into their site. Okay, so what you want to do is look, I mean, they've done all the hard work for you. If these keywords are enough to get them ranked in this Denver market, then they'd be enough for you. So duct cleaning Denver, Denver duct cleaning, vent cleaning Denver, Denver air duct cleaning. These are all examples of good keywords. Furnace cleaning Denver, you know what I mean? So currently you guys just have one, and Denver Ducts. So you're in position number one, but that's because that's your company name. So there's a lot of room for improvement there. The second thing I want to talk to you guys about, excuse me for I'm popping around too much, but the second thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So a backlink is anything that links, any website that links back to your website, driving traffic back to you. So this could be a blog, it could be a guest post, it could be pretty much anything, or a shout out that's linking and driving traffic to you. So backlinks help establish trust when you are ranking in Google, and it helps power your website. Pretty much is kind of how I like to put it without getting too technical. So right now you guys have 28 backlinks from 12 different websites, and with the keyword and those backlinks, it's helping you gain about 7 to 10 people per month in traffic. Now you guys have more backlinks actually than Ductworks does for this particular market, Denver, for these keywords and everything. So that's a good thing, but that doesn't mean your backlinks are high quality backlinks. These three backlinks could be very high quality and relevant and trustworthy links. And what I mean by that is that quality is a lot better than quantity. Just like with keywords, the quality of the buyer intent keyword is a lot better than just any keyword that anybody could type into Google that relates to vent cleaning, for example. So again, you can go in, they've already done the hard work for you, and you can go into these backlinks and you can see which ones they're in, and you can list yourself to all the same ones and more. We just need to figure out if they're relevant and trustworthy links or not. Okay. So those are the two things I want to talk to you about. Last thing here is how do you get into this Google Map Pack here? This comes down to citations. So a citation is anywhere you can list your business home, or excuse me, your business address, your phone number, and your name. So your business information into a directory that's considered a citation. So you need to beat out the number of citations that Action Air Duct has because they're number one. So if they have 200 citations, then you need to get 250 or 300 citations in order to beat them out in that space. There's a few other things that obviously are important too to optimize this. Tagged photos. You need to have more photos than other people in there. But again, it's just the copycat game. It's figuring out what your top competitors are doing it better than them. And that's ultimately how you get ranked in Google. If it works for these guys, it works for you. I mean, there's no question around it. You just have to outbeat what they're doing. So anyways, that's all I have for you. I hope you found this helpful, and I'd love to hear any feedback that you might have for me. And if this is something that you would like to learn more about and have been thinking about doing, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks so much.